Hi guys, it's Christina. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little different. I am going to give you a sneak peek inside the Pretty Distressed world. I'm going to show you how I make videos, how I run my projects, how I make this channel run. I'm giving you an insight. It's not all pretty lights and perfect makeup, so I'm going to show you the real deal, the nitty gritty this week. So if you want to learn what goes on behind the scenes in Pretty Distressed, just keep watching. If you are new to my channel, I'm a furniture painter and refinisher, and what that means is I'm normally taking things from around my home or things that I find on the cheap or things that I DIY, and I'm making them over into new creations. Please consider subscribing before you leave. Today's video is going to be in partnership with Home Chef. You guys, I'm really excited to share this partner with you today. They have made my life so much easier. I have recently gone full-time here on YouTube, and I have been having trouble doing all the things, taking care of my children, cooking meals, grocery shopping, plus doing projects and filming them and editing them. So Home Chef has just come into my life at the perfect time. They have different menus every week and deliver the food right to your door, and it comes with easy instructions on how to make the meals, but they're making it even easier than it used to be with this fresh and easy meal plan. I tried out one of their oven ready meals and it only took me 5 minutes to prep, you guys, and it was absolutely delicious. If you click the link in my description box, Home Chef is gonna give you $80 off your first 4 boxes. So that's $20 off per box if you use the code ChristinaM80. This is a great way to try out Home Chef and see if it makes your life easier. It made my life easier, so I hope it does the same for you guys. So let's jump in and I will take you behind the scenes of Pretty Distressed. So I just dropped my son off at school. He has school today. What am I doing? And I just decided to stop at Home Depot on the way home. So what I'm looking for today are some boards for some projects I'm going to be working on. So I just wanted to pop in here and see what they have. So this one is going to be for my mantle. This was an expensive piece of wood. It's actual red oak piece of common board to make a Halloween sign and fall sign. Okay, so right now I am doing a test shot to see, turn this way, see the microphone a little bit. See, it like points. This is part of the problem, you guys. I recorded an intro for one of my videos the other day for this fireplace, and the audio is terrible. We're just gonna reshoot it this morning. So I'm testing out my shot, and then I'm gonna go get some makeup on and do my hair. So I just shot like all my intros, and I realized that my microphone was not plugged in. So we're gonna do that over. Here comes more trucks. More trucks. More trucks. Now he's stopped. I don't know what he's doing. Let's just practice our outro. Thank you guys. Oh, now he's just gonna park it right there. He's talking to his buddy over there at the house. Hey buddy, what's up? Nothing much. We're just driving this loud truck around. It's really cool. Is that a hummingbird? Good morning. I'm very sick, but I'm still trying to get some work done. My kitchen is a complete disaster, but I'm gonna sit down this morning and answer comments on YouTube. I try to go on there one time a week. I do read comments, so if you guys ever comment, I do read every single one of them. Just go through here and respond to everything. If it's not a question or anything, I'll just like go through and like it. But if somebody asks a question or is talking about something, then I will give them a little reply. I'm all for constructive criticism. If someone tells me I'm using a product wrong or they would do it a different way, like I'm like, oh, well, thanks for that information. I didn't know it. But if someone just calls me like an idiot or a name or just is just kind of like attacking, I guess, without any constructive criticism in there, it always gets deleted because it's my channel and I'm allowed to do that. It's here. My first box of Home Chef. I got 2 meals to try out this week. I'm so excited. Okay, so I just ran down to Starbucks to pick up my pumpkin cream cold brew for my fall favorites video, and it's already melting because it's 90 degrees, so we gotta hop in the car and get home real fast. A little pumpkin zhuzh to it. Oh. My kids just got off the bus and we have to turn around and head to gymnastics in 20 minutes. So I have my home chef oven ready meal out. I'm gonna put it together. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in the oven for 25 to 35 minutes or until the chicken reaches 165 degrees. So what I'm gonna do is, since I'm going to gymnastics, I'm gonna pop this in for 30 minutes, set my timer on my oven, and then it'll keep it warm until we get home. Yum! I put spicy jalapenos on mine, crunchy jalapenos, because I love jalapenos. What do you guys think?
Awesome.
Awesome?
Yeah. Awesome.
Are you being serious?
Yeah.
I swear I'm not paying them to say this, and they never eat anything. You guys all like it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
We can see.
So I actually had some left over. I can have this for lunch tomorrow. I can't believe how much it fed. Well, one of my kids didn't eat, so, you know. And then since I did everything in this one pan, my dishes are done. Thank you guys for watching this video all the way to the end. Thank you to Home Chef for supplying me with some amazing meals for my family and making mealtime a lot easier for me. You guys, I hope you try it out too. I don't think you'll regret it. Just click that link in my description box. Don't forget to use that code ChristinaM80 and you're gonna get $80 off those first 4 boxes. Make sure you come back next time, subscribe. I'm gonna have more projects coming your way and I will see you next time.